Arousal is important for women during sexual activity for a number of reasons. Lubrication. When a woman is fully aroused, her body naturally produces lubrication, which helps to reduce discomfort and pain during sexual activity. Pleasure. Arousal can enhance a woman's sexual pleasure and lead to more intense and enjoyable orgasms. Psychological well-being. Sexual activity can have a positive impact on a woman's mental and emotional well-being. When a woman is fully aroused, she is more likely to feel relaxed, happy, and satisfied. Connection with partner. Sexual activity can be a way for partners to connect and bond with each other. When both partners are fully engaged and experiencing pleasure, it can strengthen their emotional connection and intimacy. Physical health. Sexual activity has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing stress, improving sleep, and boosting the immune system. When a woman is fully aroused and engaged in sexual activity, she is more likely to experience these health benefits. In short, arousal is an important aspect of sexual activity for both physical and emotional reasons. It can enhance pleasure, improve well-being, and strengthen the connection between partners.